Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the black screen on launch in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, right-click on the Valorant shortcut on your desktop and select Open File Location. In the file directory, click Riot Games, then Valorant, and open the Live folder. Next, open Shooter Game, then Binaries, and finally Win64. Scroll down until you find Valorant Win64 Shipping. Right-click it, choose Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure Run this program as administrator is unchecked. Click Apply, then OK. Now open your Start menu and search for Services. Open it, then scroll down to find VGC. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, and click Start. Press Apply, then OK. If the issue continues, launch Valorant and press F11 on your keyboard to switch to windowed mode. This should immediately fix the black screen and load the game properly. So that's basically how you can fix the black screen on launch in Valorant. That's it for this video. Thanks.